There are so many things that we throw away in our daily lives that can be repurposed into something useful. One example is the coffee grinds left over from our morning coffee. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn them into a homemade body scrub. I'm going to take half a cup of coffee grinds, add them to a bowl. Then we're going to take our brown sugar, add that in there, and some sea salt. Then we're going to mix that well and slowly pour in our olive oil and mix that until it's fully incorporated in a nice paste. Okay, combine that well. Going to absorb that olive oil little by little as you stir. And we're going to pour it into our mason jar. Now when you go to use this, put it on your body and let it sit for about 10 minutes. The caffeine has a wonderful effect on your skin. It has a tightening effect. Then you're going to rinse it and moisturize, and that's it. Now if you have any leftover coffee grinds, there's a few things you can do with it. One is that it's mildly abrasive, so it actually cuts through grease really well. So use it in your pots and pans. Another option is it's great for compost. So if you have a garden, add it to your garden. Or if you have houseplants, sprinkle it all over the soil of your houseplants, and it keeps away the ants and insects. So many options. For more modern pioneering tips, like this video and subscribe to my channel.